Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams TV. Get ready for a journey through intriguing psychological insights about women, human behavior, and life's fascinating twists. Ever been told you've changed? Did you know that around 95% of the time, it simply means you've started being true to yourself instead of following others' expectations? Remember, forming one-sided attachments can lead to emotional turmoil. Don't invest your heart where the feeling isn't mutual. It can save you from mental anguish. Did you know that hearing your name when no one's calling is a sign of a healthy brain? Our minds can do some wonderful things. Here's a psychological nugget. Always strive for your desires. The pursuit might be tough, but it's better than living with regrets. Now, let's dive into understanding the dynamics of a fulfilling sex life in a relationship. Open communication is the key, discussing preferences for touch, intimacy, and more. Surprising fact, a brief conversation with an attractive person can do wonders for a man's mental health. It's like a mental boost. Ladies, pay attention. The phase between your 40s and 50s brings hormonal shifts. Understanding this time can make navigating menopause easier. And yes, menopause doesn't mean the end of a vibrant sex life. There are ways to maintain pleasure and comfort, including lubrication. Age is just a number, right? But for women, aging can bring challenges to their pelvic area. Fear not. A few exercises can help strengthen it. Life lesson. When friendships change, treasure the secrets shared. It's a display of integrity that leaves a mark. We all have multiple lives, public, private, and personal. Don't let worry steal your joy. Life's mix of good and bad is a journey to embrace. Forgiveness is powerful. It's about releasing hurt, not forgetting. Letting go leads to lightness. In tough times, stay strong. Psychologically resilient individuals often emerge as the strongest, as pain can toughen the mind. Fun tip: a freshly baked chocolate chip cookie has the magic to lift your mood. Who knew a treat could be therapeutic? Couples, take note. Arguments might not be relationship doom. They can actually foster stronger bonds. Did you ever wonder where your heart truly lies? Look at where your thoughts wander. It's a revealing insight. Dreams speak volumes. When someone appears in your dreams, it might mean they're missed. Depressed? Here are two allies: exercise and furry companions. They're like natural mood lifters. Firmness isn't rudeness, and directness isn't aggression. Assert yourself with grace. Start your day with happiness. Have a banana. This happy fruit can curb irritability and anger. If you found these insights engaging, share them with your loved ones. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. I'm eager to hear your reflections, so please drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay awesome, stay safe, and keep chasing those dreams.